Did you know you can update all your apps all at once on Windows 10 and 11? I'll show you how. Today I'm going to show you how to use a Windows package manager called WinGet. Windows 10 users, you need to download it and install it. Windows 11 users, it's already installed by default. I'll have the link in the description down below for Windows 10 users. Okay, so let's open the command line and let's get started. Okay, so let's open a command line and type in WinGet. And here's all the options that you can do. I'm going to show you the options you're going to be using the most. So let's do a WinGet and let's find a software. Let's go and find Revo. Now it's going to search the repository on WinGet. Ignore the MS Store source. Revo uninstaller. We're going to install the Revo. So to do that, you're going to go WinGet install --ID and then the ID. And it's case sensitive as well. Okay, so now it's installing the software. So now you don't have to worry about, with this Windows Package Manager, you don't have to worry about going to the website and downloading it and then installing it yourself. It does it all for you. So now, if you want to, you can search anything in WinGet. So let's go WinGet, find, and let's go Firefox. There you go. It's going to show you all the Firefox software that WinGet has in its repository. We're not going to install Firefox. So now you can uninstall as well. So we'll go WinGet uninstall --ID, and then it'll be the ID of the whatever software you want to uninstall. Okay, now if you want to upgrade all of them, you do WinGet upgrade --all. And it'll go and it will upgrade or update all of the software that needs updated. So yeah, that's how you use WinGet. It's an amazing feature in Windows that they actually put to use. So if you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. If you want more content like this or any other tips, tricks for Windows 11 or Windows 10, subscribe and turn your bell notification on. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.